Gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Everybody gon' vote. Comrade! Labor right, them a go down, bong. Them a go down, bong. Them a go down. Is that? Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. Margie, him a God picking. No hope their work if you touch Margie. His, we now vote for Labour. Orange we a come out in now. If you love the PNP, who no step out for Marky G. Jamaica just come along with we. People time come, people time come, people time is up.
Only thing that's on my mind is who's gonna run this town tonight.
Yeah, I say that we are. Pledge your allegiance.
Who's gonna run this town tonight?
Yeah, I say that we
We gonna run this town.
Uno blind. That same belly wanna have a ring. Uno go look it up. That's why Honorable Michael Manley say we must read. Read. You must read. And Labour right, if you read something and you don't understand it, or if you can't read, call a socialist, you can read it for you and explain it to you. Call a socialist, you can read it to you and explain it to you. I mean, I think you don't want to go down that road there, that racial road there. I mean, I think you don't want to go down there. So because, you see, on the Labour rights, you don't look on the long-term effect on certain things you want to ride with and talk about. We have a lot of investors in this country and them are white, man. So, no careful. Please be careful. Be careful. You hear me, Labour rights? Be careful. And as when me say, Labour rights, make no leaders them talk to no like no have sense. Stop making no leaders tell no foolishness and no run with it and cheer feet. Uno idiot? Uno a fool? Come on, man, Labour rights, do better than that. Leave Mark Golding and in colour alone. Leave Mark Golding and in colour alone. Yes, the PM no white. In a white, but what? A him have we under mental slavery. See have no with Bella ring up and down a ring like a una idiot. Uno go read on the history, Labour right? Uno go read on the history before uno start talks on something. And leave me leader Mark Golding alone. Good day. Labour rights, why you no go?
Uno deaf? Labour right. Go more and go study the origin of the song named Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. This Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. Go and study that song. Then go on the same bell for your Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. You know, go ahead. You know, set a fucking idiot. Wanna Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. Andrew having a circus party. A Jingle Bell, Jingle Bell. You know, I say, what, hey, I'm at half a Labour right. I go tell you something. I'm at half a, I make Dayton Campbell. Telling you something. I want to go ask Andrew on this. Here, Labour, Jingle Bell, Labour right. Go ask Andrew this. Jingle Bell, Labour right, them name Jingle Bell now. Jingle Bell, Labour right.
That's more than Darrell Vaz knows the Labour right talk to it to them.
Yeah, man.
As a matter of fact, Darrell, for sure it's the Labour right talk to me. And Labour right called me this morning and said, I go down a Brace River, I must big up Andrew Holness, Juliet Holness, Andrew Wheatley, Emperor Warmington, Bobby Montague, and Floyd Green. He said 6 names, we must interpret what we want for that. Hold on. And the information minister can't say nothing to me because a Labour right tell me so. Me don't break no law. So she said, it's a Labour right tell me so.
So if a Labour right call them 6 names here, something in a something, but me think it need 2 more upon it. I remember the bridging we talk about say, all him, where his first job was a supermarket job from 19 how long. He can't go find back no documents for them. I think him I want to. And the way how the iron donkey operate. No, I don't think of him. I think I run away. House slave. The one that run off, I feel that him are the next one. The run away house slave. The one that deal with the finance, I feel that him are the next one. And the piece of bed jerker. The one when I reveal the sex offender registry with the same start work for his first job was a supermarket job. I feel that him because him sound guilty. Him sound guilty. Anyway, we're moving on. We're not itch.
Yes, I just want to say this, and I want this to reach out to the woman named called Juliet Cuthbert Flynn.
No,
right?
I drank
Mrs. Sunday now.
Junker. See them?
Yeah. Dive down for Mark Walling like Jamin Crow, you know. You sound like Jamin Crow. I look like Jamin Crow. Look at your story up on your head. Listen to me, missus. You see, we come ready. We are back. You have a Mark Walling, man. Remember, say that this is the 80s or 70s, you know. You understand? We love one another. We love everybody, every race. So right now, we are lick you off at Mark Walling, Jamin Crow.
Pitch,
because
Junker,
Jamin Crow must said for people like, oh, you are a dive funny man and the man if you're a rat bat. One meantime.
Pitch, Junker, pitch.
But no matter what I say, no, or can't have Marky G. And one Marky G we say.
Pitch,
and
Junker,
we the
pitch.
comrade, we are back to have a Marky G back. Yes, Jamin Crow.
Pitch, Junker, pitch.
I man can't understand Darrell Vance.
Who you say?
How could you couldn't go on a conference?
Who you say?
And tell Jamaican say beautiful speech can put pot on fire and can go to market.
See, Isaac haven't sung your friend.
Bring
See
Jamaican backward.
Isaac haven't my
Because you can't talk beautifully. It don't make no sense because you can't go nowhere the world represent nobody. You understand? So man tap disgrace your wife and tap embarrass your wife. It kind of sound good.
Keep it like yourself
You're trying to educate the woman and try to make the woman speak proper. Yeah? What about if somebody come and she have to go talk with some hierarchy? Eh? Tap embarrass your wife, man, that not sound good in a conference. And then she get up and push up 2 fingers in the air. Don't have no ambition. Eh? Chap man, go here, man. I get people confused, man, come here and wow, I chat say. You know, see? Yes, I.
Me say my viewers and subscribers. Darrell Val's wife. I be a jump, me see my jump, my video me see him put up in a jump like a grass quit. But me I wonder if he have some form of disability, because she can't talk, you know. She talk like when somebody a gaggle their throat. You know time old people a gaggle their throat with water. Like when old people like use salt water and a gaggle their throat, the same thing sound like when you gaggle your throat. So he have disability or something. So why Darrell Vaz that really want to put his wife through this you know? So you never know saying wife can't talk good. I better she get one slay. Better she did pretend like she can't see and get one slay. Now with the people that accept him more out of sympathy. But you have this woman now go on like she all that and can't talk. A member of parliament wife is a yamed. That is very bad. That is very bad, Darrell Vaz. You mean to God. Out of all the girl them I want yamed they go take up and push her up front but she want to become MP. I'm not sick. You know, there's a bunch of... Isaac, my case get them out from Portland. Deport them from Portland, Isaac. These importee want to come to Portland and take over it. I want to leave Portland and go away. I'm from which part I come from. Where I come from? I want to come from Darrell Vals. I want to come from. You see that drunker, the Juliet Cockbird that talk about Mark Walling. I want to come from Darrell Vals. Where you have for your wife? Where you come from? I talk about Portland name Varsland. Where you come from? I go invade with land. Where you come from? Come Mark Walling born in Jamaica. Where you born? Where you come from? Where you come from? Isaac, me case take them out from the place. Please, me beg my boss. Me case take out these imposters. Mickey has take out these imposters from Portland. And still then go back about then we are about. Then we are about for sure. Moving on.
Jamaican roads need some attention. Our roads should have been better, could have been better, and would have been better had Andrew Holness not repealed the act. Now, Mr. Brogard, I don't know what...
So you see, Andrew Holness now, he repeal the road maintenance act saying, and come and pour them and talk about through the road them been long time. Through them been long time why them a mash up. And him stop it. And the Governor General sign off on it. These people for going on. You know, so them for going to all the Governor General, you know, going in the Governor General for this. Mark Gold, make case, you know, could just get rid of this Governor General, yeah, man. Does make case win Mark Gold, we could just get rid of this Governor General. Inside of all of these Zozo too. We are in prison all of the youth them who are detaining all of the youth them for much years and sitting without charge. You know much life this Zozo disrupt. You know much people this state of emergency make it fire for an job. Look here, man.
This is that you're going to tell the Liberates them that it is you why the roads in Jamaica are not being maintained. Well, since that information don't fit your political agenda, me, I gotta tell the people them. The Secretary of the Parliament provided this information which proved that you phone the Prime Minister and the Jamaica Labour Party on the 8th day of October in 2017 brought an act to repeal the Maintenance Fund Act. Now them repeal the act to maintain the roads them, increase the sentence for guns found in poor people's hand, and all know they not do nothing for the thieving politician them.
And all know they not do nothing for the thieving politician them.
So this is the Andrew Holness is a wicked. And he might come back a big wreck. Andrew, sorry to say you can't get back this wreck. And if we don't give you can't thief it. I tell you that. If we don't give you the job, you can't take it. It's our job. And we're going to decide who we get. If we don't give it back, you can't thief. Remember that.